5 best gifts for Father's Day. Dependable dad in your life. Why are dads notoriously hard to shop for? Is it because they go shopping 4 days before Father's Day to buy themselves everything they need, or the fact that when you ask them for ideas, they come up empty? FLLOWS 5 best gifts for Father's Day. 1. Lightheaded. Is it possible for you to imagine your father wearing a headlamp? If he carries a lot of stuff, likes to camp, or simply hangs out in places where a flashlight would be useful. The Petzl Tikkina 250 lumen version illuminates a trail or workspace in a wide beam flood pattern, so he won't have to keep swinging his head from side to side like he's at an Ozzy Osbourne concert. 2. Pocket relief. If you know a father who needs a new wallet, the Ridge wallet is a great option. It has a unique elastic design that allows it to hold anywhere from 1 to 12 cards, as well as some cash in a money clip on one side. The frame is made of metal with a lifetime guarantee, and it has a groove on one edge that allows you to press out the card or cards you want. 3. For the DIYer. The Savage Industries Apron is essentially a wearable toolbox for all the builders, crafters, and makers out there. The easily adjustable sizing and additional leg-hugging straps make it extremely comfortable to wear. The Savage Industries Apron moves with you while staying out of your way, no matter what you're making. It's like having a personal shopper. Jess Grey, Mike Calore, and Matt Jancer, members of the gear team, are huge fans. 4. Face treatment. Skincare is typically marketed to women, but everyone, including dear old dad, has skin that needs to be cared for. Product reviewer Medea Giordano recommends the Foreo UFO mask treatment with his smartphone, whether the father in your life is an expert or has never used a moisturizer. Warming, cooling, pulsations, and LED lights are used in this relaxing spa treatment to soothe skin and increase circulation and blood flow. 5. Theatrical sound. If your father already owns a large television, consider getting him a good soundbar for Father's Day. You can buy the most expensive flat panel in the world, but almost none of them come with good speakers. In our guide to the best soundbars, we go over a few more specific options. It also works well with the Vizio P series.